The future is now, and it's built on energy efficiency and alternative fuels. During this industry shift, Volvo Trucks will be your trusted partner. Volvo Trucks is committed to lead the industry towards sustainable transport solutions by advancing electromobility. Electromobility isn't a new concept for the Volvo Group. We've proven the technology works with over 5,000 electric Volvo buses in operation worldwide. Technology leveraged to develop electric truck models in Europe, and now the VNR here in North America. We optimized the truck's performance using real-world data and validated the VNR Electric's capabilities with our customers to create the best truck, designed and developed here in the United States and manufactured in Dublin, Virginia. The VNR Electric encompasses all the same great features of the current VNR, like agility, visibility, and safety, making driver acceptance easier. It's available in 3 configurations: a single-axle straight truck and 2 tractors, a 4x2 and a 6x2. Designed for the customer's driving cycles within local and regional distribution, food and beverage, and pickup delivery. The electric motors are rated at 455 horsepower and generate up to 4,051 pound-feet of torque. This provides quick starts and great responsiveness. The electric driveline features Volvo's proprietary 2-speed I-Shift transmission that delivers smooth acceleration. The batteries have an operating range of up to 150 miles depending on configuration and a capacity of 264 kilowatt hours. To maximize energy efficiency, we capture the energy from braking. Up to 15% is regenerated back into the energy storage system depending on the duty cycle. When you finally do need a charge, it's charged in 70 minutes. Either CCS1 or CCS2 connectors are available. The VNR Electric incorporates our highest safety standards in cab and chassis construction with additional protection built into the battery cage, and includes the latest active safety features such as Volvo Active Driver Assist and Lane Departure Warning. In addition, this vehicle is covered by our Uptime Promise, including remote diagnostics and a suite of connectivity services specific to energy management and battery performance. Electric provides more benefits than just zero emissions. The driver's work environment is greatly improved by less noise and better responsiveness, creating a comfortable, quiet sanctuary. Quieter trucks working overnight, reducing congestion during peak traffic and enabling flexible transportation hours. For complete peace of mind, we offer for the first time in North America the Volvo Gold contract, covering repairs, scheduled and preventative maintenance, as well as truck and battery monitoring. Volvo Trucks understands that the transition to electromobility is about more than just the truck. It requires an end-to-end solution, including incentives, necessary charging infrastructure, and financing. Volvo will partner closely with our customers to expedite this transition successfully. Being at the forefront of electric truck production in North America is just the beginning. The future is now.
The Gold Service contract is really important for the launch of the VNR Electric because while the technology is not new to us, it is new to some of our customers. And we want to give them peace of mind because with new technology come certain uncertainties. We want to help put their minds at ease. So we feel that it's so important, we've made it standard on the VNR Electric. So we want the customer experience with the VNR Electric to be as seamless as possible. So while our customers' operations are largely designed around operating diesel trucks for many years, whether it's delivery or servicing and running preventative maintenance on their trucks, we want it to be as seamless as possible. So we've designed the Gold Service contract to help customers with that transition and take the burden of the change off of them. Our Uptime Services bundle has been customized with the addition of remote battery monitoring, so we can help customers optimize the performance of their VNR electric trucks.
Electric motors offer long life. They also offer up to 455 horsepower and 4,051 pound-feet of torque. So there's plenty of power, plenty of torque for smooth acceleration and quick starts. They're also quiet. So when you get into the truck, there's no idling, so no vibration to start. The customers have to really look at the dash to see that the truck is ready to go. So there's a little bit of learning there, but other than that, the motors are expected to last the life of the vehicle with very little maintenance. They're also liquid cooled to make them even more efficient. It all starts out with the energy storage system. We have 4 electric batteries that the customer will charge. That energy is used to propel the vehicle down the road using 2 electric motors and a 2-speed I-shift transmission. The first thing the customer is going to notice is when they get into the truck to drive it, they actually press the drive button, they take off, and it's uninterrupted torque and smooth acceleration even though it does shift at about 25 miles per hour. The battery is the most expensive piece of the truck from the electric driveline standpoint. So we made sure to use high quality components, lithium-ion batteries, and we also monitor these batteries with our Uptime Center while the customers are using them to make sure that they're following the life cycles that the battery needs. The maximum charge we can do on the VNR Electric is 150 kilowatts. So a customer will come in and they plug their charger in. The charger basically communicates to the truck communicates back. If everything is compatible, green light comes on, it blinks, so the charging has started. And depending on the charge rate, we can charge up to 80% in about 70 minutes.
Electromobility can help society in several areas. Growing urbanization, how we buy things, are driving more transportation needs. So we need to find sustainable solutions, and an electric driveline allows us to have a sustainable solution. So in order to introduce an electric product, there's a couple of key areas you want to address. The first being, how do you charge it? You need to have a charging solution in order to have the uptime with the product. Currently, there aren't public charging infrastructure in place. So we need to work with the customers in order to develop the charging solutions. Right now, it'll be return to base type operations. So with the introduction of VNR Electric into the Lights program, we find a lot of enthusiasm and interest for the product. It's being well received, and more importantly, it's doing the job. But at the same time, we find you have to work very closely with all your stakeholders in order to be prepared for when the truck arrives. You have to address your charging. You have to figure out how to handle the logistics flow for the truck into your fleet operation.
This was designed for regional haul purposes. And what we see from customers in the regional haul business is they're going to be delivering short deliveries, less than truckloads. So we built the chassis around those type of applications. We offer a 4x2 rigid straight truck today that supports those type of box van applications. We also offer a 4x2 tractor, which offers the GCW of a lightweight configuration. And then we also go up to a 6x2 tractor. So when it comes to applications, where we see it makes the most sense is in the regional distribution. So we focused around marketing this truck around pickup and deliveries, local food and beverage services, and also urban and regional distributions. The VNR Electric is the same type of vehicle that's going to support those operations. So we see it as a perfect fit to introduce electric trucks on that platform. From a driver's perspective, what they're going to experience is a quiet vehicle. It's going to be a less stressful environment for them to work in. They're going to be able to be more productive because they don't have the stress of the engine noise, the vibration of the vehicle, and it's going to make their life much easier. The performance of that vehicle is going to support their business, support their operations, support their deliveries. So it's going to be just like they stepped out of their diesel but into a quieter vehicle in terms of the VNR Electric.